Hey guys, welcome back to my channel if you guys are new here. Hi, my name is Sydney. I film cruelty-free beauty videos. Today's video is super exciting because we're talking about two of my favorite things: eyeshadow and shopping my stash. So today I want to share 5 palettes with you that I own and that you may also have in your own collection that I think would be absolutely perfect for spring. I know once spring rolls around, brands usually start releasing some new palettes that maybe are a little bit pastel in tone or a little bit colorful, and I know that I always get that spring fever and the itch to buy those palettes, but I'm filming this video as kind of a gentle reminder to you guys that, hey, you can shop your stash, you might own some similar things. I know this is an exercise that I love to do for myself. There are several new kind of pastel palettes that are just screaming my name. I'm not really doing any specific dupes in this video, but these are just kind of gentle reminders to, hey, you could probably create some similar looks with these palettes. So without further ado, let's hop into it. Alright you guys, so the very first palette that I wanted to mention is the Pharaoh palette from Menagerie Cosmetics. So this is a relatively new palette to my collection. I ordered it when they had their Black Friday sale, and I don't think I received it till like the end of December, so I haven't had it for too long. And when I was kind of digging through my palettes, this wasn't the first palette that caught my attention because I feel like it does have a lot of kind of deep, more saturated tones in it. But I feel like especially this row right here, actually really the bottom 2 rows, and like this beautiful teal shade right here, these shades are just so soft and so pretty, and I feel like they could create some really, really gorgeous spring looks. Menagerie's formula is absolutely fantastic. I feel like the pan size that you get is huge. You get so much product for the price. And I feel like I could just create some really, really gorgeous spring looks with these shades. I love that there's some greens in here. You guys know I'm addicted to green eyeshadow. I did a really, really pretty look with this palette just a few days ago over on my Instagram. It was very vampy, very dark, but I think that really just shows the versatility of this palette. I haven't quite really played with these pops of color yet, but I'm so excited to create something really fresh and bright and springy and fun for the springtime. Next palette I wanted to mention is the Colourpop Strawberry Shake palette. So this was another one that I feel like didn't immediately jump out at me when I was thinking of palettes I wanted to grab for springtime. But as I started to look at this palette and kind of swatch the shadows, I realized that these 2 top rows, I mean really the whole palette, but to me the 2 top rows really screamed kind of just fresh, soft, pinky romantic makeup that was just a little bit brighter. It had a little more like zing to it than like Valentine's Day makeup would, because I feel like I would also describe my Huda Beauty palette as kind of pink and soft, but this one takes it up a notch, and I think it adds just that little bit of brightness that makes it absolutely perfect for spring and can really just make your eyes pop a little bit and add a little bit of pizzazz. The next palette I have to talk about is the first palette that popped into my head when I was thinking of what palettes I wanted to include in this video, and that is the Juvia's Place Adduce palette. So when I first saw this palette, I was like, what am I going to do with those colors together? Because it's a bit of a weird color story, I'm not going to lie to you guys. Since adding this palette to my collection, it has really just sparked a lot of creativity in me. I did a really, really fun springy look with this palette a couple of weeks ago over on my Instagram. I'll try to insert a picture on the screen of any looks that I'm referencing. But I think this palette is absolutely gorgeous. I feel like the top 2 rows-ish are perfect for spring. This green looks a little bit, deeper in the pan, but it's actually very minty and soft on the eyes. This pink and this purple scream spring, you guys. I've wanted to just kind of pack these all over my lid, blend it out into the crease for days now. I think it's just so fresh and so beautiful. This soft pink shade is beautiful over the lid for just a little bit of a soft added glow. I love this palette. I think it is so much fun to use, and it's very multifunctional as well. This pink could definitely double as a blush. The purple could double as a blush. This white shade here has a beautiful, beautiful pink reflect that would be a gorgeous highlighter on the skin. So I love that this palette is A, multifunctional, and B, just so fresh and bright and fun. The next palette that I wanted to touch on is again from Colourpop, and that is the Through My Eyes palette. This one was created in collaboration with I Love Sarah He, and she did such an incredible job with this palette, you guys. I feel like whenever I want to do kind of a themed shop my palette stash video, I always want to reach into this palette because I feel like it is so incredibly versatile. But what really just screamed at spring to me from this palette is this beautiful orange, the beautiful yellow, this gorgeous bright red, this copper shade. Oh my goodness, you guys. It is so soft, so foiled, so metallic, and it just leaves your lid looking so wet and just fresh. And I feel like really wet lids always makes me think of spring. Really dewy skin just makes me think of spring in general. And even these green shades right here, they're a little bit deeper, but I feel like they could add such a fun little pop to a look. I love this palette. I think you guys would love this palette, and I think it would create some really gorgeous soft spring looks. The final palette that I wanted to mention is my Blossom palette from Blush Tribe. Unfortunately, this palette is no longer available, but I do know that it was pretty popular for a time, so I thought a few of you might have it floating around in your collection. This is a rainbow palette, so I feel like it's kind of like a, well, duh, it could work for spring, it could work for any season, but I specifically grabbed this one because this one has a lot of beautiful pastels in it, and not only does it have beautiful pastels, but it has beautiful pastel shade and then a coordinating deeper matte shade. And personally, for the way that I do my eyeshadow, I find that to be incredibly valuable. I would love to be the girl that wears like a soft wash of a matte pastel color all over her lid and runs out the door, but I feel like I look a little bit incomplete when I do that. I love to throw something a little bit darker in the outer corner, so I feel like this palette is absolutely perfect for that. It has your beautiful pinks, your oranges, your yellows, your purples, your greens, your blues, everything that you need to look soft and springy. And I feel like the kind of like all over pastel matte shade, or even adding like a gloss on top, is so on trend right now, so this would be an incredible palette to do that with. That's gonna wrap this video up. I hope you guys found it helpful. I know it was super short, but I just feel like it was super short and to the point. I love these palettes. I would love to know down below what palettes you guys have in your collection that you think would be perfect for spring, or have you purchased some new palettes this season? Let me know down below. I would love to chat with you guys. If you guys enjoy Shop My Stash videos or things of that nature, definitely check out my channel, and I would love it if you stayed and subscribed. I film these kind of videos very frequently, but that's gonna wrap it up today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!